Hi friends, here is a simple problem from JEE Mains. We are given alpha, beta are roots of x square minus x plus 2 lambda and alpha, gamma are roots of 3x square minus 10x plus 27 lambda. Then what is beta gamma by lambda? Please note this is gamma and this is lambda. These two are lambdas and this is gamma. Okay, beta into gamma by lambda. What exactly is this? Right. If you notice this alpha, the root is there for both the equations. The same root for both the equations. Alpha is root of x square minus x plus 2 lambda and for 3x square minus 10x plus 27 lambda also. That means alpha square minus alpha plus 2 lambda equals 0. Similarly, 3 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 27 lambda is also equal to 0. Right? Because alpha is the root of this equation and this equation. Right. Then we have actually two equations in terms of alpha and lambda. So we can solve for alpha and lambda. Right? Yes. Because the alpha is common for both, is root of both. That means if you replace x with alpha, this statement should hold true. Right? Similarly, beta square minus beta plus 2 gamma, 2 lambda is also 0. Right? So let's do that. So alpha square minus alpha plus 2 lambda is 0. Right? And if you multiply the and here 3 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 27 lambda is 0. That is this equation. That is this equation. Right? 3 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 27 lambda. This equation, let's make it 3 times. Right? Then this also becomes 3 alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 3 to 3 times to 6 lambda equals 0. Right? Then let us just subtract this equation from this equation. Right? 3 alpha square will get cancelled. Minus 10 plus 3, it is minus 7 alpha. And 27 minus 6 is 21 lambda. That means 7 alpha equals 21 lambda, alpha equals 3 lambda. Right? Now, let us substitute this 3 lambda in this equation. Right? Then this equation becomes 3 lambda whole square, which is 9 lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda equals 0. Right? Just to find out what is lambda. So then this becomes 9 lambda square equals minus lambda. Right? 9 lambda square equals lambda. That means lambda equals 1 by 9. Right? So we have got alpha equals alpha is 3 lambda. Right? Alpha equals 1 by 3 and lambda equals 1 by 9. Right? So far so good. Now we know product of the roots alpha into beta. What is the product of the roots? It is c by a, that is 2 lambda. Similarly, alpha into gamma is what? Alpha gamma is 27 lambda by 3, which is 9 lambda. Let us use those also to find out what is beta. Alpha beta is 2 lambda. So beta is 2 lambda by alpha. That means 2 into lambda is 1 by 9 by alpha 1 by 3. This becomes 2 by 3. Right? So beta is 2 by 3. Now we want to find out what is gamma. Similarly, alpha into gamma is 9 lambda. Right? Because 27 lambda by 3, C by A. Alpha into gamma. These two are roots of this equation. Right? This is 9 lambda. So, that means gamma is 9 lambda by alpha. What is lambda? Lambda is 1 by 9. And what is alpha? 1 by 3. 9 into 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. That means gamma is actually equal to 3. And what is the question? The question is what is beta into gamma by lambda? Beta is what? Beta is 2 by 3 and gamma is 3. 2 by 3 into 3 and lambda is 1 by 9. Right, 2 by 3 into 3 by 1 by 9. This is equal to this and this will get cancelled. And this 9 will go to the top. 2 into 9 equals 18. Simple problem. Just that we need to substitute alpha and beta, alpha in both the equations and solve for alpha and lambda first and then solve for beta and gamma later. Right? Yes. Thank you.